If you want to use Pro mode on Motorola Edge 70 Pro, then first of all we need to go to the camera app. Now over here we should be able to simply go to the Pro mode over here, so let's just slide to the Pro mode, and there we go. And here we have, of course, a bunch of different parameters that we can use to take a decent photo. So let me try to explain everything that we have in here. So first we have the AF, or just F, or MF. So this is pretty much the focus. AF means that we have automatic focus and MF is the manual focus. The more we slide to the left side, the more we focus on small subjects, on tiny objects, or objects that are pretty much in front of us. And if you move to the right side, then you focus on pretty much everything, including the whole background. So if you slide all the way to the left side, you should be able to reactivate the automatic focus. WB is the white balance. It adjusts the color temperature, so whites look white and colors look natural. If you move to the left side, then you have cooler colors, and if you move to the right side, we have warmer colors. And just like before, we can move all the way to the left side to set it to automatic. Then over here, this thing is the shutter speed, and it decides how long the camera sensor is open to capture light. Slow shutter speeds let in more light, which is good, for example, for night shots, but it can blur motion as a result. And fast speeds freeze action. And here we can move to the left and to the right, of course, adjust it. Move to the left, all the way to the left, I mean, to set it to automatic. ISO controls how sensitive the sensor is to light. Low ISO keeps your photo clear in bright light. Higher ISO helps in low light conditions, but if you add too high ISO, if you set up too high ISO, then it can add grain or noise to your photos. Move to the left to set it to automatic. And then the last option is the exposure, and it's just like a quick tool that allows you to adjust the brightness of your photo. Very simple. Move to the left or to the right to decrease or increase the brightness of your picture. And this is the only parameter that cannot be set to automatic, so you have to manually set it to 0, for example, if you want to reset it. And that is pretty much it in the case of these Pro mode parameters. Keep in mind that at the top we have a couple of additional options, like for example the RAW format can be activated in here, and so on and so forth. Leave a like and subscribe.